All right, folks, don't look now, but more names are crossing their 50-day moving average. My next guest says that it's really about this resiliency in this market, that she sees it. David and I just talked about it. And she says, well, this is what you got to bank on, folks. I want to bring in our Greentech Research investment analyst, also portfolio manager, Hilary Kramer. So, Hilary, I look at, for instance, we talked about this last week because early in the year, this was the thing everyone loved, that the market rally was broadening out. You had 70 names in the S&P above their 50-day moving average. That's what you want, not reliance on 7 names. That cratered to like 10% or something nuts. We're climbing back steadily. Is that the resilience, kind of the resilience you're talking about?
It's all about resilience and understanding that even when you're down there, you want to be buying, you want to have the conviction and continue to go into those stocks. Just think about a year ago, right, when we had Liberation Day, NVIDIA dropped below 100. By October, it was above 200.
Yeah. And the same chart, if you go back a year on this, it was the same sort of thing. And we went down to like maybe 10 again. Quickly, but as we came on, all the names started to pile in. Let's talk about what's hot right now, okay? Because these optic names are just absolutely killing it. And this is folks, this is the reason why. This is the only chart you really need to know to understand, because we're talking about 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You've got visibility for optic demand.
This whole optic sector is really going off the charts. First we were looking at other areas, storage, but this is really what it's about, whether it's Sienna, Credo, Lumentum, the optics, because the AI has to talk to each other, right? It's like neuron synapses. That's the best way to think about it.
Yeah, in fact, I know, let's bring up Light, because this is a name that you've liked in the past. It's just a beauty. Look at this. Every time it touches that 50-day, it tickles it, goes back up, on the verge of another breakout. When someone looks at this and they're watching the show and like, yeah, I feel like I missed it. Even though we just showed that the demand is going to ramp up for the next 5 years, if someone told you, can I buy it now, would you say yes?
Yes. You can buy Light, L-I-T-E, and still make at least 50% upside on your money. You might not be a triple, but that's okay.
You mentioned Credo. We're going to bring up a chart of Credo. So during earnings season, you had two things. You had the CEO of Broadcom, and you also had the CEO of NVIDIA, both saying, okay, there's room for optics, the optical stuff, and for copper, because copper's doing all this heavy lifting right now. And you can see that's where Credo was doing well. But it seems to be shifting. People are saying, no, it's going to be optics, not copper. You don't buy that. You agree with them that there's room for both of them. If that's the case, Credo's cheap.
Credo is cheap, and copper still has a place. The copper twist still belongs, even though the fiber optics and the glass make sense and it's racing ahead. Don't ever throw out the baby with the bathwater when it comes to something like copper.
Yeah. Hey, by the way, just moments ago, as President Trump was speaking, we had the Artemis go by the dark side of the moon. Of course, folks, we talk about this a lot. The Artemis 2 mission, it's further away from Earth right now than any human has ever gone before. And you can see this. They're about to spend nearly 7 hours making observations. They're going to capture these images. That's the moon's surface. And just beautiful stuff. Next week we've got a space special in studio. I want you to come down to New York City and spend that time with me, folks, because we're going to talk about making money in space. And speaking of making money, I want to give you a quick shout out before we go, because I give you a hard time every now and then. You have a clunker, because that's what we do, right? Definium Therapeutics. You said, okay, I like this one at $5. I never heard of it. No one ever heard of it. It's $20, and yes, in the year. That's a 3-bagger. I still don't know what they do, but congratulations.
Mushrooms. It's about mushrooms.
Right, the mushrooms.
And mushrooms, and RFK Jr. and him understanding.
Goodness, this is like, when you laid it out, it made so much sense. It made so much sense.
And it's going higher.
You really think so?
Absolutely, because there's real definitive research behind the mushrooms and replacing the Xanaxes and Valium and helping our PTSD veterans get ahead of the game, because they have really become the addiction and the.
I remember the story. You know what? I'm sorry I didn't buy it, but I'm glad it's there. Congratulations. That's a grand slam.